Under someone's thumb.
He is completely under his girlfriend's thumb.
Throw someone under the bus.
You shouldn't throw someone under the bus to escape your mistakes.
Kick the bucket.
When the dog kicked the bucket, we were all heartbroken.
Blow your own trumpet.
She tends to blow her own trumpet whenever she achieves a goal.
Bark up the wrong tree.
If you think that will solve the problem, you're barking up the wrong tree.
On thin ice.
The company is on thin ice financially and needs to improve quickly.
Beat around the bush.
Stop beating around the bush. I'm waiting for an answer.
Call it a day.
We've made good progress, so let's call it a day.
Jump the gun.
It's best not to jump the gun when making decisions.
The last straw.
Her constant lateness was the last straw, and I decided to end the friendship.
Under your belt.
After winning the race, he now has a trophy under his belt.
Have a chip on your shoulder.
She seems to have a chip on her shoulder at family gatherings.
Hit the jackpot.
He hit the jackpot by meeting the right people.
A hard pill to swallow.
The team's loss in the finals was a hard pill to swallow.
Skeleton in the closet.
His past mistakes felt like a skeleton in the closet.
Face the music.
After lying, she must face the music.
Go out on a limb.
If you go out on a limb, you might just achieve great things.
Leave someone in the lurch.
It's not right to leave someone in the lurch during tough times.
Burn bridges.
His harsh words burned bridges with several colleagues.
Thanks for watching.